Hi, I'm Lorna Radford, Managing Director of Enkos Developments and Technical Advisor for Cosmetics Global, Asia and Korea.
Hi, I'm Rouah, Director of Raw Cosmetics and R&D Tool Leader for Cosmetics Asia and Global. Welcome to episode 6 of our Formulation Fridays series, and today we're going to talk about pigmentation. Skin colour depends on the natural pigment, melanin. Its production in the skin is activated by sunlight and requires the presence of the key enzyme tyrosinase. The two major forms of melanin which exist in humans are eumelanin and phenomelanin. Each individual has both types of melanin, but in different proportions. Thus, skin color depends on the type, concentration, and distribution of melanin. However, factors such as free radicals, hormonal changes, sun exposure, aging, stress, and pollution can disturb the pigmentation process, leading to age spots and an uneven complexion. Nanowhite by Mabel Biochemistry is a liposomal preparation which combines arbutin, vitamin C, and glutathione. For centuries, bearberry leaves have been used in herbal medicine because they contain arbutin, which strongly inhibits tyrosinase activity. Vitamin C palmitate is the optimal form of vitamin C for topical application. It combines antioxidant and anti-aging properties in addition to helping improve the appearance of age spots. Glutathione is a tripeptide found in the body, which is one of the skin's natural antioxidants. It is a tyrosinase inhibitor due to its reduction potential, but as we age, the level of glutathione present in our body decreases. Nanowhite amplifies these individual properties by incorporating them in one powerful product, which is proven to reduce and prevent pigmentation. Here are the main reasons why you should incorporate nanowhite into your formulations. It safely inhibits the pigmentation process. It helps to promote a luminous and even skin tone. It effectively reduces and prevents pigmentation and has strong antioxidant properties. Let's go to Lorna in the lab for more on this ingredient.
Nanowhite is a water-soluble liquid with an optimal pH between 4 and 8. It can be added to any formulation type containing water, such as gels, oil and water emulsions, or water and oil emulsions, and it should be added below 60 degrees Celsius. High levels of electrolytes can affect the stability of formulations containing nanowhite. If you're aiming for a bright white cream, nanowhite is a great option because it doesn't affect the colour of the formulation base.
Lorna have harnessed their marine glycobiology expertise in their product, Fuco White. Fuco White is a unique, purified complex extracted from the brown algae Ascophyllum nodosum, found mainly on the northwestern coasts of Europe. This algae is exposed to UV rays on a daily basis, and it has developed a system to regulate its own pigmentation. It is claimed to be one of the most active seaweeds on the planet and has inspired Lorna to create a product to effectively decrease skin pigmentation. Here are the main reasons why you should incorporate Fuco White into your formulations. It has good antioxidant properties. It inhibits tyrosinase activity by 88%. It reduces the appearance of skin pigmentation, and it significantly improves skin clarity and texture.
Fuco White is supplied as a water-soluble, preservative-free liquid. It has quite a strong brown colour in pure form, but when you add this at the recommended level of 2% to cream formulations, it imparts a natural beige colour to the final cream. I'm adding 2% Fuco White to a natural cream base. Consumers quite often expect natural creams to be off-white in colour, so this may be appealing in formulations with a natural focus.
Staying in the northwestern European waters, Codif have based their ingredient White on a species found between the Morday Island and the point of Pen Lan. Cystosierra tamariscifolia possesses branches covered in spines which become iridescent when they are in water. Their colour changes from green to violet, passing through blue, and it's appropriately called the rainbow alga. And its function is to ensure optimum diffusion of light to the chloroplasts. In 2018, Martin Lopez Garcia and his team published a study on the phenomenon of iridescence in algae. The iridescence is due to the regular stacking of fat balls inside pockets localized in the epidermal cells of the algae. This adaptation seems to be a response to environmental factors. The algae is exposed to light of varying intensity, which changes with the tide and depth of the water. The iridescence enables the algae to improve diffusion of the ambient light. From this rainbow alga, Codif extracts a cellular concentrate which acts on melanin production, melanosome maturation, and the homogeneity of the skin's complexion. Here's why you should incorporate White into your formulations. It decreases the synthesis of melanin production associated with UV exposure. It promotes skin luminosity. It reduces the appearance of pigmentation spots and enhances the skin's complexion.
White is a water-soluble liquid that's stable between pH 3 to 12 and stable for up to 4 hours at 90 degrees. It's also compatible with high levels of ethanol. At its recommended use level of 1 to 1.5%, it doesn't impart any sensory or appearance differences to final formulations, so it can be added very easily to lots of different formulation types.
Lubrizol introduces us to Chromabrite molecule, a cutting-edge ingredient to reduce undesired skin pigmentation and promote a radiant skin tone. This patented ingredient has been tested both in vitro and in vivo and has demonstrated that it provides a photoprotective effect on human epidermal keratinocytes, thus helping to prevent UV-induced skin damage similar to the natural action of melanin. Here's why you should incorporate Chromabrite into your formulations. It reduces melanogenesis. It protects the skin from UV damage. It reduces the appearance of hyperpigmented areas of the skin and enhances skin complexion and luminosity.
Chromabrite is an oil-soluble, preservative-free powder that can be added to any formulations that contain at least 2% oil or silicons. Chromabrite is stable at high temperatures, so Lubrizol recommends adding Chromabrite to the hot oil phase of hot process emulsions before homogenization. The solubility of Chromabrite depends on the type of oil used, and Lubrizol has a helpful chart showing the solubilities in different commonly used oils. There is in vivo efficacy data at 0.1% and 0.5% for different types of claims, so the recommended use level depends on what type of claims you want to make in the finished product. Thanks for joining us on today's Formulation Friday video.
We hope you've enjoyed today's video and will join us again when we return with more formulation challenges.
If you'd like to learn more, then you can visit me at the Formulation Lab at Enkos or join one of Rouah's R&D tours live on the show floor.
Visit the Enkos website linked below to find out more.